What's going on, everyone? This is Mas Wiki Clean Air. If you do a lot of hard lines and you do a polishing, you got to check out this trick. So whenever you're doing hard lines, I usually like to polish my hard lines using one of these polishers. It happens to be a Harbor Freight polisher, but what happens is these polishing wheels usually get really dirty. So how do you clean the wheels when you're applying polishing compound? Well, one of the easiest things that everybody recommends for cleaning these and that people have been using is a special type of a rake. What I like to use is I like to use one of these hand files, and the reason being is look at the back. The back has little ridges which are perfect for cleaning off polishing compound off of these wheels. Let me demonstrate. Turn on your polisher, take the rake facing upwards, hold it, and you can see how it's filing down and cleaning off your polishing wheel. And you can tell it's cleaning off your polishing wheel is because it gets lighter and lighter and lighter. Gently glide it. Turn it off. There's the leftover wheel. And now you're ending up with a cleaner polishing wheel. Hope this helps.